Okay, peoples, YouTubes. I finally put my computer together. So this is the Antic 300. This is just an optical drive DVD. These are two 120 LED fans, blue LED. I got it in blue because my router is blue, the light. Go inside. So it's not the best cable management, but yeah, I just kind of fix everything right here. That's a 550 watt power supply. That's the video card. It's a XFX Radeon HD 4850, 512 megabytes of DDR3 RAM, Core 2 quad, 2.3 gigahertz. Another 120 fan, but this one came with the Antic 300 and has speed control. I keep them on low. And then the top one, right there, see the top, has it too. Anyways, we got 4 gigs of RAM, 2 gigabytes of sticks, gigabyte motherboard, 7 right there, 750 gig hard drive from Western Digital. See, just if we can get a glance at it. Check the inside. Let's see. Oh, the back side. Oh, 1 second. Can't really see that much, but there's nothing over there. But right here, a whole bunch of cables. My fan cables and stuff that I don't need. Right there in front, you can't see them, but that's where they are. So yeah, that's my new computer, or my new PC. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, rate. So yeah, bye.